Hi guys, this is the CiBest Mini Projector, and today I'm going to connect a phone to this projector, right? Let's say, for example, you have an Android or an iPhone, you can just connect to the projector via HDMI cable. There's no way to connect here via Bluetooth, right? At least for this mini projector, which is the CiBest W13. So I have here my phone. Basically, I'm gonna start here with this Android. This is a Galaxy S8 Plus, and to connect the projector, I need to use a cable like this, right? It's an HDMI to USB-C. It's a specific cable. I will leave the link here in the description because some cables just don't work with this cell phone. So you just need to get the correct one. And you can also connect a different phone like this. For example, it's an iPhone 11, right? And you can just connect the cable here. Again, you need to get the correct cable. In this case, I have here HDMI to Lightning. So it depends on the model that you have. I have an iPhone 11, so I need the Lightning cable. So super simple. Let me just start here with the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I'll get into the cell phone here, and then I'm going to connect using this cable, right? Let me just approach here. Here's the phone. And then I just need to connect the cable here in the HDMI port. Super simple. Just like so. There we go. And then I connect the other end here to the phone, and it's going to start working right away, right? For Android devices, you're gonna see a message here saying HDMI connected. Just takes a while, and you're gonna see that start working back there on the screen, right? Another thing that I have to do as well is just come to the screen here, use the remote control, and change here to the HDMI port, right? I'm gonna do this. Just grab the remote here and change to the HDMI port. There we go. And it should work, right? There we go. So it's working back there, and ask if I want to use Samsung DeX. That's the way to go, or you can use a regular mirroring, right? This is Samsung DeX is loading right now. So you can work that way with your phone if you have an Android phone like I have here, Galaxy S8, or I can use regular mirroring. It's up to you, right? So if I come here, I can select which one I'm gonna use. See that I have options here, Samsung DeX with the touchpad, so I can basically use the touchpad and move their cursor on the screen and start working like this. So it's up to you how you want to use. Here the touchpad you see back there on the screen is working. Then you can load everything from here just using this touchpad, right? Super simple. That's one way to go. And the regular way, another way is just use as a mirror, right? So you can mirror everything from your screen. Let me just try here. Changing, now it's mirroring, right? There we go. So I just hit play here and start playing something back there. You can increase the volume from here. The audio is coming here from the speakers. There we go, it's working, okay? So if you have a new phone, a new Samsung phone, for example, it works differently. You don't have the option for Samsung DeX, okay? With this one you have. And let me just show you now with an iPhone. So it's the same. You just need to connect using a cable. Just put it here. And then use this HDMI. Just connect it here. And then the lightning goes here to the phone. So super simple. As long as you have the HDMI input there, it's going to work. You see it loads there. I just hit play and it starts working as well. Just playing from here now. There we go. And you see the message here connected to the AirPlay, right? So simple, it's simple like this. You just need to use the cables. There's no way to connect via Bluetooth. There's no option available for this mini projector, which is the W13, okay? So hope that helps. That's the way you can connect a CiBest Mini Projector to a phone, Android or iPhone. It works pretty fine, all right? Leave your comments here if that works for you, if that helps, and also your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.